Guys, moving ahead, I have got this amazing piece of tech right in my hands. ये Oppo का flagship smartphone है. This is the latest Oppo Find X8 Ultra. Guys, Ultra से usually we always have a preset in mind कि yes, the phone will have all the possible tech packed inside, and this is no exception. यहाँ पे it is completely filled with all the latest pieces of tech put together, क्योंकि हम बात करते हैं एक बहुत ही interesting, बहुत immersive Quad HD Plus screen के बारे में. Looks phenomenal. We have world's first पेंटा कैमरा सिस्टम. जी हाँ, यहाँ पे 5 कैमराज लगे हैं एंड द कैमराज आर रियली पावरफुल बिकॉज वी हैव अ 1 इंच सेंसर वाला ये 50 मेगापिक्सल्स मेन कैमरा. देन वी हैव 2 कैमराज, one at 3x and one at 6x, both 50 megapixels for all the telephoto abilities. We have ultra wide camera, again 50 megapixels. Then we have a chroma camera, basically जो कलर टेम्परेचर के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन निकालता है वो भी यहाँ पे है. एंड देन Again, it is packed with 6100 mAh battery. यहाँ पे latest Qualcomm का प्रोसेसर है, up to 16 GB की RAM है with up to 1 terabyte of storage. In this package, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. Have a closer look and understand कि कैसे ये phone जहाँ पे we have this camera button, we have this new shortcut button, behaves and performs in real life.
Oppo Find X8 Ultra is the latest flagship smartphone from Oppo, designed to deliver cutting-edge imaging, powerful performance, and long-lasting battery life. It features a 1-inch ultralight and shadow penta camera system, offering impressive portrait capabilities, strong low-light performance, and up to 120x zoom. With its AI telescope zoom and lighting snap, the phone enables users to capture distant and fast-moving subjects clearly. इस डिवाइस में 6100 mAh की बड़ी ग्लेशियर बैटरी दी गई है जो 100 वॉट सुपर वोक वायर्ड चार्जिंग और 50 वॉट एयर वोक वायरलेस चार्जिंग सपोर्ट करती है. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra is not available in India at the moment, and there is no official word from the brand if it will be made available in India.